I like your shirt.
Oh, thank you. It's new. I got it last week.
Did you get anything else?
No, just the shirt.
Where did you get it?
I got it from the weekend market.
How much did it cost?
It cost about $12.
Really? That didn't cost too much at all.
Yes, it is a good price.
Do you like to wear hats?
Yes, I do. I like to wear hats only in the winter time when it's cold.
Do you like to wear jewelry?
Yes, I just have the bracelet that my brother gave me.
Aww, what do you think of fashion?
I don't think it's very important to be in fashion.
Do you have a pierced ear?
No, I don't have a pierced ear.
Do you have a tattoo?
Yes, I do.
What is the tattoo of?
It's of a big blue scary monster.
Really? Wow. Can I see it?
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, here is it.